have the same. We have the city plows. We have probably about a dozen or so contractors. So it's the same for every storm, even though this one has a much cooler name. School is canceled. City Hall is closed. All non-essential personnel are requested to stay home.
We've got a great partnership with Kevin McLean at Our Father's House. He's been more than helpful, and what we did up during the cold days, of course, I'm not sure they've left yet. We worked with Our Father's House, my office. I contacted Salvation Army, and their facility on Water Street was utilized as a warming station for anyone that was in need. So I called him yesterday to see if we might have to revisit that for today, and he thinks that we will.
We have 100 pieces of equipment on the street right now. All traffic signals are on flashing. We expect about 1 to 3 inches of snow an hour, and blowing and drifting snow is going to cause a problem right through the night. Cold temperatures as well. We have a storm center located at 37 Carter Street, and we also have a warming center at the same location. Storm phone calls, related phone calls can go to 978-534-7580, and that'll be open till at least 8 tonight, but more than likely through the evening.